Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you Amaya Rain's hair color transformation. She has mostly white hair, so it can be changed into anything. But first, this dirty tangled hair needs a good wash, so let's get to it. As usual, I start with shampoo and a thorough cleaning. Next is conditioner, and I usually brush Doll's hair while it's in. After about 5 minutes, I wash it off. Before I leave her hair to dry, I give it some extra brushing. I also give her hair a trim. Now I'm gonna separate her hair, front, middle, and back parts. You can see that she already has some colored hair. I'm not gonna take it out, but I am going to add 3 more colors to this mix. These are the 3 colors I'm gonna add. I already showed in my previous video how to dye doll hair, but basically you need a pot of boiling water, a pot that you don't use for cooking. You need some Rit Dye of the desired color, a doll, and finally a drop of dish soap. I'm starting with the back strand, aquamarine color, and I'm gonna keep it in until I'm satisfied with what it looks like. Next color is royal blue, and I had to add quite a bit of it to get the color that I want. And finally, royal purple for the hair in the front. And her hair needs more brushing. I did not change the color of her scalp. In this case, it looks quite acceptable. So now the hair is all dried up and I think it looks amazing. Look how shiny it is. I use my unicorn slipper to hold the doll in place so I can style her hair. Now, one fact about rainbow high dolls. The rooting is quite different from doll to doll. So Amaya has a middle part rooted for a little bit and then it just ends abruptly. So to cover up bald spots, I put strands of hair on different sides. I decided to braid part of her hair so that her hair color is more exposed. Repeating the same for another side. Turned out pretty cute and doesn't expose her bald spots too much. Just look at all those shades and colors, and I'm giving her another brushing, of course. I could not leave Amaya without a new dress. I'm gonna use this fabric, Velcro, and some lace. For the pattern, I trace around the doll and then add sides. I fold the pattern in half and then cut it out. For the bottom part of the dress, I don't really need a pattern. Trace in a rectangle right on the fabric. It's about 4.5 inches by 18 inches. Then I cut it out. Next, I traced the top part of the dress on the fabric, mark darts and seam allowance, and then I cut it out as well. I measure and cut the needed amount of lace. I attach lace to top and bottom of the dress, face together, and then sew. Sew the darts and then do a quick tryout. Gather the skirt and then sew top and bottom together. I attach Velcro and then sew the bottom of the dress together. And here's Amaya in her new dress with her new hair. I added a couple of bows in her hair and also used the hair straightener for her hair to look super shiny and straight. So what do you think, guys? I think she looks a little bit like Violet's sister, but I really like it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.